everybody, Meteorologist AJ Colby here on a Friday, and hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It is a spectacular Friday here in Cleveland and all across the Buckeye State. Just spectacular weather, a little more casual today. I was outside doing some stuff, and the time got away from me, so we're a little bit later than usual here with the weather update for the weekend, but I think you're going to like what you see for the most part. There are some changes in the offing and probably some raindrops as well, but I think the timing might be a little bit better if you have big weekend plans. First of all, this is the Crib Cam, a live look now from the City of Cleveland Water Division, and they are at your service, apparently, according to the logo. You can see a little bit of wave action out there, but really not looking too impressive with 1 foot or less waves. Northeast winds becoming southeast at 5 to 10 knots, and then a light and variable wind tomorrow. What a great day to do some boating. Of course, be safe out there, boaters and fishermen alike, along with those just being poolside. Of course, be very safe, obviously. Water temperature is up a degree now to 74 degrees. From outer space, this is how it looks. From satellite vantage point, one of the GOES satellites, which is in geostationary orbit up there, 18,000 miles or so above the Earth's surface, we're told. You can see cloud cover streaming in a little bit off the lake, a little bit of puffy cloud cover out there, but for the most part, everyone enjoying a fair amount of sunshine. This is a little wider view, and you can see the cloud cover is pretty innocuous, not productive in terms of rainfall. Always interesting looking at the little cloud structures there moving through our fair atmosphere. Meanwhile, a little wider shot still of the U.S. and down toward Mexico and Cuba and the Yucatan Peninsula at the southernmost point of this particular map and image sequence, showing some thundery weather over parts of Nebraska, the Dakotas, South Dakota, and down another round of precip there over the southeastern part of the U.S. A cluster of thunderstorms north of around Lincoln and south of Sioux Falls, South Dakota. There are some storms south and east of around Nashville right now, but across the Ohio Valley, it looks pretty dry, and high pressure is in firm control. There it is over the Great Lakes, the overnight map showing a cold front approaching from the north and west. It is moisture starved. Will do nothing more than shift the winds as it blows through here into the weekend. I do think there'll be a bit more in the way of cloud cover, not tomorrow afternoon, not through Saturday, but Sunday, a little bit of a different story. You can see tomorrow night that front gets a little bit closer, and then by Sunday morning, just to our north, I think we will see a little bit more in the way of cloud cover with that system, but you can see the whole package shifts out of here by Sunday evening with no rainfall. So that's good news if you have weekend plans, obviously, outdoor plans for the weekend. Of course, any weekend is important in the summertime, but for those of us who need the water, it doesn't look like that's going to happen anytime soon, unfortunately. So we'll back up a little bit here and show you the forecast. First of all, I do want to just show one map here, which indicates the absence of any rainfall. There it is in motion. See the cold front just to the north? There's really no moisture associated with it at all. This takes us into Sunday in the early morning hours. Really nothing to write home about in terms of precipitation. Cloud cover, on the other hand, as we look at our future cast through Saturday, you can see a few little high-level clouds, but Sunday afternoon, high and mid-level clouds begin to spread in, and that will limit the sun just a bit and also keep temperatures in check as well. I still think we're looking at seasonably warm temps, just about normal or just above normal for this time of the year. Our forecast tonight goes as follows. We're calling for mostly clear skies. It'll be a moonlit night as we're heading toward a full moon. Otherwise, uneventful weather-wise, the overnight low near 60, sunset tonight 8:56. North winds will be light at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tomorrow, bright sunshine in heaps and gobs. A little bit warmer, too. I think we're out of the 70s into the low 80s for highs tomorrow. We'll call for a high of 82. Sun up at 6:12, incidentally. And north winds will cruise in at pretty light velocity, 5 to 9 miles an hour. Here's a look at the extended outlook now. Sunday's high, 84. Warmer still by at least a couple of degrees. But I think the cloud cover will limit the thermometer from climbing. The mercury will be capped in the mid-80s. The same on Monday. Toasty day, though, 86. Humidity levels will be on the climb. 85 on Tuesday with a chance for showers and thunder. That'll be long overdue. We're really in need of water. Best chance for rain over the extended period. Well, that appears to be on Wednesday. 60% probability of showers and thunder showers. High temp 82. Overnight lows in the mid to upper 60s over the next several days. That'll do it, everybody. Hope you have a terrific weekend, everyone. It should be a great weather weekend. And as always, from the AJ Colby Weather Center, appreciate you stopping by. I'm meteorologist AJ Colby. Have a great night.